What is up, man? So hope you guys doing lekker. I realized now I was shooting a YouTube video the whole time without shooting it, well, without having shot an intro. So if you guys are hearing any noises, the aircon, because it's fresh hot. I'm in REHOBOTH right now. And yeah, so I went to this amazing, absolutely cool local car show here in REHOBOTH. And I was a judge. I got to be a judge at this one. So I shot a whole lot of clips. Hope you guys enjoy it. The outro will most likely be different, but nonetheless, hope you guys enjoy this one. Ons gaan hier samen. Ouwe.
No, what goes up but never comes down. Who's
that means the video is done, it's over with. Yeah, like I said in the beginning of the this video, I was a judge at that show. I wasn't really like a judge. I was more like I helped out, but I feel like I could be a not judge. So if you guys have like car shows and stuff, or like meets and stuff, and you guys like categories and whatever, and you guys need a judge, just bang my line. My details will be in the description below. But yeah, just let me know, man. Hope you guys liked this one. It was a bit different. Really cool Bakkie content was there. REHOBOTHs were there. Bikes were there. So it was like not content that you don't usually see on the channel. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. Let me know if there's anything you guys would like to see change on the channel. Maybe something different, except asking me when I'm going to buy a car. Chill, brah, chill. But other than that, hope you guys had a great one. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly, don't forget to make the most of your downtime. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Shapra.